Hey y'all, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Lynn, and in today's video we're going to be making homemade Bisquick. Y'all come on, and I'm going to show you in this quick little video just how simple and easy you can make Bisquick and not have to buy it from the store and keep your pantry stocked with what you already have to make homemade Bisquick. I love to keep this in my pantry because it's good to make pancakes, Red Lobster type style biscuits, drop biscuits, dumplings. You can even make little pie crust out of this. But it's so simple and easy. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to make a half a batch. So I'm going to be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. That's 2. And that's our 3 cups of all-purpose flour. And now to that, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. I'm just going to use this one to do my half and not dirty up another spoon. Okay, and now we're going to add a teaspoon of salt. And now to your flour, your baking powder, and your salt, you'll add a half a cup of shortening of your choice. And I'm just going with this store brand because it was cheaper. And there's 2 ways you can do this when you're making your homemade Bisquick. You can do it by hand, you can use a pastry blender, or you could even use a food processor. But today, since I'm just making a half a batch, I will be using my hands and my pastry blender and just blend that shortening in with all that flour until you get it to where it's almost like pea sizes. You don't even want to see that you got shortening in there. And if you use the shortening now, you can leave it in your pantry just like you do the Bisquick. But now you can use butter, but you would have to keep it refrigerated if you use butter in your Bisquick mix. But this right here is great to have to make pancakes. You've got everything in there you need. It's great for dumplings, for chicken and dumplings, beef dumplings, drop biscuits. I love keeping this stocked in my pantry. And I like making it myself. And yeah, you could go out and buy a box of it, but I like taking what I have and making what we need instead of buying everything individual. And you know what's in this. You don't have any extra added stuff in your Bisquick by making it yourself at home. You know, you've got your flour, your baking powder, and your salt, and your shortening. So you're making homemade Bisquick with just 4 ingredients. See how that looks just like the store-bought Bisquick. But we made it at home ourselves to save time and money. Okay, now we're just going to put it in a container so I can put it in my pantry and have it for months to come. just a half a batch. You can double the recipe to make a bigger batch of it. Okay, now you're ready to make some drop biscuits, pancakes, or even muffins with your homemade Bisquick mix. And keep your pantry stocked with what you already have to make homemade Bisquick. Okay, y'all, there's our video on how to make homemade Bisquick. I hope you like our video, and if you do, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.